Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Pete's Cookhouse. This episode, we're going to be doing something fun, something for the whole family, something that everybody will enjoy, that's quick, and you can carry along with you. We're going to be doing a deep fried pizza roll. Don't go away, be right back. All right, guys, and welcome back. So, first things we're going to be needing is we're going to have to do our pizza sauce. So, it's going to be the best pizza sauce. I've done it before for other pizza shows that I've done. It's restaurant quality pizza sauce. You don't need to buy sauce in the store. If you want to, you can. But all I'm saying is that you just need a couple of ingredients and you'll have yourself the best pizza sauce ever. So, first thing is you're going to need tomato sauce, tomato paste. You're going to need Italian herbs. You're going to need, oh, what is that herb? Oregano. So they all look alike. So Italian seasoning, oregano, pepper, sugar, onion powder, and garlic powder. All the measurements will be in the description, so you don't have to write it down. So just pay attention. So first thing first, dump your tomato sauce in a big mixing bowl like this. Next off, you will dump your tomato paste. And this is a cold process, so you do not need to cook this. This is, once it's all mixed in together, it's ready to go. But the longer you let it sit, the more flavorful it gets because everything just blends together. Um, so yeah, make sure you get everything, tomato paste, and then all of your seasoning. Put that in there. Now give this a good mix. So you can put this in an airtight jar and it will last for a couple of weeks in the fridge. So if you have a couple of pizzas you want to make, it's like school's back in and you want to make stuff for lunch. I mean, this is the easiest thing. You know, kids come home from school and they're hungry. Well, hey, you got pizza sauce in the fridge. Put it on a slice of toast and some cheese, and there you have it. You got yourself your quickly made, practical little pizza. So the sauce is ready. That's all it took. So we're gonna put this aside. I'm gonna get the rest of the stuff that we need, and then we start building and we cook. Don't go away. All right, guys, welcome back. So we're gonna be making a basic pizza roll, and when I say basic, it's gonna be sauce, mozzarella cheese, and some pepperoni. Now, um, the other reason why I'm saying basic is because the pepperoni, dollar store pepperoni. All right, it's Jack Link's pepperoni, original, not spicy. You can go spicy if you want. You can do whatever you want. It's your pizza, right? You can throw whatever you want in there. I'm just showing the basics of it. So we have our pizza sauce. We have our mozzarella. We have our pepperoni. We have our toothpicks to hold everything together once everything's rolled up. We have our, this one here is, I think it's the 10-inch, the large. Again, dollar store, large Wonder Bread wrap, and the small one. You can do whatever you want. We're going to go with the large. So, first thing, very simple. Grab your pizza sauce. Spoon. Put a layer in here, like this. All right. A little bit like that. So, that's done. You can. I'm going to do double layers here. Mozzarella, like that, like that, like that, like that. And I slice these in an angle, like that, just because. And I'm not going to be picky of how many I'm going to put in there. I'm just going to lay it all in there, right? So I'm gonna give myself enough for a second one. So this is what you do. The trick to this is that you fold it on either side. It's like making a burrito, right? Fold this on top, and then you roll it really tight, like this. Now, once that's all tight, you take your toothpick, and I'll take two for this, and place it so that it holds everything together. So one there, and one here, like that. So there you have your pizza roll. All you need to do is to deep fry it. So we leave that one there. I'll make another one, start the deep fryer, and I'll come right back when everything's deep fried and we'll do the taste test. So don't go away. Hey guys, and welcome back. So our deep fried pizza rolls are done. One thing I do recommend, there's two things I actually recommend, kind of like in the chimichanga that we did previously. The toothpicks, don't forget to pull them out once they've cooled off enough. And you have to bring these guys to a nice golden brown and nice and crispy. So what we're going to do, they have cooled off a little bit, and I've took the toothpicks out. So we're going to cut one. I mean, they're still a little hot, so just be careful. And this is what the pizza roll looks like. You got gooey cheese in here, you got the mozzarella, you got the pepperoni, you got the sauce and everything. And everything is just like, look at that. That's just coming out like that. That thing is like really hot. I'm still gonna let it sit a little bit. I'm gonna get myself a little bit of ranch dressing as a dipping, and I'll be right back. Once it's cooled off a little bit, we'll do a taste test. Don't go away. All right, guys, it's taste test time. So here we go. I will take a bite first without the ranch dressing. Mm-hmm. Now this is a deep fried pizza roll. I mean, it's pizza that you can carry. I mean, yeah, you got your slices and everything, and the thing flops and whatever. Yeah. This you carry like this. How better does it get? It doesn't. Just wrap it up. Off you go. Let's give it a try with the ranch here. Mm-hmm. We have pull too. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the deep fried pizza roll. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. So please don't forget to subscribe, to hit the like button, to hit the notification button if you want to be kept in the loop for all the new episodes. Don't be afraid to try it. You can even, if you're not comfortable with the deep fry process of it, you can always do it in the air fryer. It works just as good. So, guys, thanks for watching, and join us next week for another episode. Have a great week.